Learning locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Do you know the difference between the locomotor and non-locomotor movements? Locomotor movements are movements that require the body to move from one place to another. Non-locomotor movements are movements that do not require the body to move from one place to another. These are examples of locomotor movements. First is involves shifting one's weight from one foot to another. Second, running means moving quickly with bigger steps than walking. Third, hopping is springing one foot and landing on the same foot. Fourth, skipping means moving by taking a step and hop on the same foot. Examples of non-locomotor movements. First, stretching means reaching out your arms and legs to make your muscles relax and flexible. Second is lifting, means lifting something up using arms or leg. Third, twisting, means turning around a part of the body. Fourth, swinging, means moving by taking a step and a hop on the same foot. Locomotor movements discussed earlier. I hope you learned a lot. Goodbye.